This is the parking over here, a free parking, but inside there's a parking that you will have to pay. So we are looking for a parking area. We can find some parking area. We are here. That's the beach of Las Salinas.
Hello daw.
So this is the view of Las Arenas. No, I'm so sorry. From Las Salinas. This is the view over here from the road. Look at that. There are so many people enjoying the beautiful sunny day today. Today is a very good weather for beach time. Wow. Liam is excited to go to the beach. Look at that. Look at the beautiful beach of Las Salinas.
No, Mama.
Yeah, okay, we're going to the beach, Liam. Yeah, look at that. So, okay, let's find a parking first. See you around. So guys, we don't have a free parking, so we don't have a choice. We have to go to the parking that we have to pay. So the parking here is we have to pay for €7. I think that's for the whole day. It's expensive, but we don't have a choice. For motorcycle is only €3, but for the cars is €7. So here we are in the queue. Let's get inside. What's that, Liam? No, there's no signal. There's no internet here. What's that? Oh no. Let's check, Mama. Let's check. Let's wait. Oh no, what's that? Okay, we're going now. We're going inside.
Hindi pa ganda. Papat siya mabayan. Hola, buenas. Ako na kampanya.
Yeah, we're going. Here, this is the private parking, so we have to pay. There's no internet here. Liam wants to watch videos, but there's no connection here. There's a very low connection of internet here. Yeah, there's no internet, Liam. So right now we have to pay. Here we are.
Hola.
There we go. This is the parking here, Las Salinas. Okay? For €7. So let's here you can park wherever you want. It's a big parking area. So we have to look for something that is shady part under the trees. So hello again. We are going now to the beach of Las Salinas with Liam and YTV. So let's go. Look at Liam. He's ready for fishing. No, come here, come here. Over here. Let's go to the beach.
Wow.
So We are here in this area. Look at this. Yeah, Ses Salines. Okay, let's go. Okay, Liam, let's go. Look at Liam. He's ready for fishing. He has a fishing net. So come on, let's go, guys. Let's go to the beach with Liam. Hello. Wow, he's so excited as always. Look at Liam. He's so excited to go to the beach. He's walking very fast. Wow, look at that view of the beach. Wow. Liam is excited to go to the beach. Are you excited? Yes? Are you excited to go fishing? Wow. Be careful, be careful. Hold mommy, hold mommy.
Hello,
Hold mommy.
Pretzel, half price.
No, thank you. Come on, let's go. Yeah? Wow. Wait for me. Whoa! What's that? Wow, look at the water here. Yeah, it's very clean. Liam will go fishing. No, I show you guys the beach. Look at that. There's so many people enjoying the beautiful sunny day today. And also Liam will go fishing. Whoa, Liam! Let's go over there. Yeah, with Liam. Go, Liam, go. Be careful there. There's a stone. Let's go over there. So, hello again everyone. So, here we are at the beach of Las Salinas. So, let's take a walk. Keep walking now. Here at the beach of Las Salinas. Look at the water. It's super clean and crystal clear. So let's keep walking. So for those of you who are first time here or never been here in Las Salinas, this is one of the longest beach here in Ibiza. One of the famous and tourist favorite beach. So today is a beautiful sunny day. The sun is shining. The wind is calm. Look at the color of the water. It's so beautiful. Look at that. Wow. You immerse yourself here in the water. Surely you will feel relaxed. And take all your stress away. So let's keep moving over there. Let's keep walking.
Bueno, ahora vamos a estar 10 minutos con la señora acá. No vamos a
I think if you walk here in Las Salinas from the very edge of the beach, it takes you 15 minutes. But I start in the middle, so we'll go back later. Let's see how many minutes it takes for a walk. Well, it's been a long time that I think it's past 2 weeks that there's a storm here in Ibiza, but still there's so many seaweeds here in the beach. But it's a long walk over the edge of the beach. I think that part is better for me to check over here. I think the water here is so calm. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Did you hear the sound of the waves? Okay. If you can see, there's a small watchtower over there. So let's go over there. I think there's a beach party over there because in this area there's I don't see anybody who are lying on the beach. So let's go over there.
Ayer anoche le dije, hablar con Franco, pero diciendo, esto está.
But this beach is, people can go, is allowed to be nowhere, no dress at all. So it's quite dangerous here. So I think maybe I have to go back. So we are again here at the beach of Las Salinas. So just enjoy the beautiful beach view as I walk you around here at Las Salinas Beach. I turned my camera on the other side because I don't want to catch some people who are topless here because it's not allowed. So let's take over here. Let's keep walking. That's a restaurant over there. It's so hot in here. So let's keep going here. Look at the water. Wow, it's so crystal clear. Look at this. I can see my feet below the water. It's super clear. So this is what you can see if you are here in Las Salinas beach, only in Ibiza. So let's keep walking. There's so many people also there. Look at that. The beach. So let's keep going. Let's keep over there. Let's keep going. Let's keep walking. Look at the view over there, the mountain. So beautiful. Some children make a beautiful sand castle here. Look at that. So let's go. Let's see if how many minutes we can take to go to the edge of the beach. So let's check what time is it now. But it's already 3:26 in the afternoon, but still it's so very hot in here. So let's take a walk here at the water because I feel so relaxed when I walk here in the water. So that is a restaurant also over there. There's a restaurant. Okay. So whoa, look at that. Let's check over here. There's so many boats over here. So, keep going. almost near to the edge of the beach of Las Salinas. So just keep watching. Hope you enjoy the beautiful beach view. Okay. So in this area, there's so many people who are here. Wow. Hope you guys feel the beautiful beach of Las Salinas. Look at this wind boat. I don't know what's the name of this. No sé. Las Salinas, Salinas Sailing Club. Look at that. So we're here at the edge of the beach. So thank you so much for watching my video. So I think that's all for today's vlog, and see you around. Bye bye.